Hello friends, today we will discuss about Sputnik V vaccine. Now Sputnik V vaccine has become available in India. 1.5 lakh doses of Sputnik V imported by Dr. Reddy Laboratories, Hyderabad, and in this video we will discuss about what will be the cost of the vaccine, how many doses required to acquire full immunity, what is the gap between the two doses, and what will be the cost of the vaccine. So friends, Dr. Reddy Laboratories, Hyderabad has done collaboration with Russia's Gamaleya Research Institute and the Dr. Reddy Laboratories manufacturing this vaccine in India also. At present, it is imported from Russia and around 1.5 lakh doses reach at Hyderabad. Yesterday, few people are inoculated with COVID-19 vaccine of Russia Sputnik V, and in coming days in 35 metro cities this vaccine will be available. After that, in tier 1 cities it will be made available. So this is a good news in India, as there is a vaccine shortage in country, and this will add to the vaccine capacity of India. This Sputnik V vaccine need to be given in 2 doses. After first dose, second dose is given after 21 days, and in this vaccine 2 adenovirus are used. This is a vector-based vaccine, and in this vaccine spike protein of the coronavirus is used. This spike protein of the coronavirus is introduced into the human adenovirus, and this vaccine is made. So in this vaccine 2 different adenoviruses are used for 2 doses of the vaccine. You can compare this vaccine with the Oxford AstraZeneca Covishield vaccine. This is also vector-based vaccine, but in this vaccine chimpanzee adenovirus is used, and for both doses same virus is used. And in Sputnik V vaccine, for giving the 2 doses of the vaccine, 2 different human adenoviruses are used. These human adenoviruses causes common cold in humans, and these are tested adenoviruses. Therefore the side effects of this vaccine are less. And the other thing is that because of using the 2 different human adenoviruses for 2 doses, the efficacy of the Sputnik V vaccine also increase. According to the study published in the international journal Lancet, the efficacy of the Sputnik V vaccine is 91%. So it is a great news for India that 91% effective vaccine is available in India. It is now available in the private hospitals, and the cost of this Sputnik V vaccine will be 995 rupees. So it will be around 1000 rupees, and this will help lot of people to get inoculated as early as possible. The Dr. Reddy Laboratories also starting production in India, and the other vaccines Sputnik Light will also be manufactured in India. So Dr. Reddy Laboratories has said at the end of this year around 25 crore doses of Sputnik V vaccine will be produced in India, and this will help to inoculate large number of people. So it is a good news. Now government of India should also focus on Pfizer, Moderna and Johnson & Johnson and make these vaccines also available in Indian market as early as possible, so that vaccine shortage can be encountered. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you very much.